first progressive last year in Basel. And I came to this progressive because I read the book from Dr. Joe, but I was very critical. I came there and was thinking, okay, 2.5 days, I will make a contract with myself, because if he's such a kind of American cowboy who will dance on the stage and take people and telling her story, I prefer to go to the museum in Basel. So I went there, and after 50 minutes he catched me. And I passed those days in Basel, and then when I go home, my partner had to catch me, because since 45 years I had panic attacks and fear. And, it's really hard to me. I arranged my life, but, and I live very good, but sometimes I had such fear that I can't go out to catch my letters. And when we came home from Basel, my partner said, "Oh, there's something different with you. I never seen you so happy." And the next day, I stand up, take my clothes off and go for a walk. I've never done before. And on halfway, I realized there's no pain. I said, I've forgotten my pain at home. And then the next weeks, I started every day looking in the mirror, and I was sure today it will come back. And it never come back. I meditated, I went to Bonn to the advanced, and in September I made some holidays. After a few days driving with a car through all the world to visit my friends. And in these holidays, we were sitting in a restaurant, my husband and me, and I had some tumors, good tumors on the head, which should have cut away. And like everyone, if we have something, we put every time the head here. And I was sitting in the restaurant making like this, and he said, "Oh my God, what happens?" And then he came and looked like a mother looks with children for the mice there, and they had gone away. And as everything happens in my life now, I was attracting for a job, and I got it. I'm meditating every day. I don't go out of the house without meditation. And yeah, I like to come here to feel the spirit and all those things. And I hope people can see and hear this story too, and it will help them to start the work or to continue the work, or also in times which are difficult in life.